That's Highway 3. It's almost like they've written on a marker, but it's so moist that you can't even see it.
We started our day at Lockharts Odyssey in Courtland, Ontario. Lockharts is arguably one of the largest and nicest full-line BRP, Can-Am, Sea-Doo, and Skidoo dealers in the area. Their staff was friendly, and there's always something interesting to see when you walk in the showroom. From new and used Can-Am ATV, side-by-sides, spiders, Skidoo and Sea-Doo products, as well as a huge inventory of clothing and accessories, it seems Lockharts has it all. After we finished drooling all over the showroom, they even let us park for the day and gave us decent directions to hit the trails.
How far down the road did you say? Okay. Oh yeah, trail permits required. That's great. So here we are, first ride of the new Norfolk ATV Club Trail System. This is what we came for, do you know? Yeah. It looks like it's faster. Oh, this is cool. Wow, that's nice. It's fast and flowy, isn't it? I like riding like this. Oh yeah. This is like going to Linden, isn't it? Totally. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Cool. This is awesome. Did you look to your right on the last one? There was an old concrete tunnel. It was really cool. Oh, it's a boardwalk. This is neat. Yeah, it's the same thing. This is awesome. That's great. Very nice. They said this was open and you said you got the email, it was like, let's get our asses down here. This is the reason you join a federation of ATV clubs, because it's their little map. That's Highway 3. It's almost like they've written on a marker, but it's so moist that you can't even see it. As per manufacturer's specifications. is cool. Now, I don't know whether we're going the right way or not. There's tons of offshoots in here. Ouch. We didn't miss a turn or anything, did we? Oh, well, there it is. It all connects, right? Good to do that. Oh, this is neat. A bit of a drop down there. Yeah. Work, bro. Okay. Look at that! That is awesome. Yeah, I like when you have scenics like that, right? It is. And that's a problem that Drew and I had up in Dundalk, is there's all rail trail, and there's just, on a quad, doesn't cut it.
Yeah. What the hell is that?
Definitely an ATV trail of some sort. I love this. Here, let's stop here.
That is awesome.
That is cool. It's almost like we're in Algonquin West ATV Club. And we're right in Norfolk's backyard. Yep, I could spend the day right here.